My Fluent Spanish Speaker Academy students have access to our private community on Discord, and I gotta say, students absolutely love it and is a really easy and fast way to practice your Spanish with other people. Are you learning Spanish but you struggle with finding people to practice your Spanish with? Today, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can find native Spanish speakers to practice your Spanish with. Number 1 is to look to your friends and family. If you have a friend or family member that speaks Spanish as a native, please speak Spanish with this person. Even if you feel nervous or embarrassed or uncomfortable, the reality is you know this person better than you do strangers. I've had students say to me, "Hey Nate, I want to speak Spanish with my friend or my spouse, but I'm embarrassed," and a lot of times we'll just switch back to English. Now this is really common, but there's a simple, rudimentary tactic that I like to use when it comes to this, and that is simply telling that person you will not speak English to them and that you will only speak Spanish. Do not speak to me in English. If you speak to me in English, I will only speak to you in Spanish. I need to learn this language, I want to learn this language, and you are the best resource I have to do that. In fact, my girlfriend is currently learning English, and many times she'll start speaking to me in English and I'll respond in Spanish. She'll say, "Dude, speak to me in English." And I'll say, "Oh my gosh, you're right. I'm so sorry." And then I force her to speak in English. The second way to find people to practice your Spanish with is by going to online language exchanges. Now, this can be through an app like Hello Talk or Tandem. These are both fantastic ways that you can have a language exchange online for completely free. You practice your Spanish with this person, maybe they're from Mexico, Colombia, Spain, and in return, you practice your English with them or your native language, whatever that may be. This is a fantastic, easy, quick, and fast way to start learning the language and speaking with people without having to necessarily be embarrassed or shy. In fact, you can just start with writing. You can just say, "Hey, how's it going? What's going on?" And eventually that can move on to maybe phone calls or video calls. And that will give you more confidence to speak with people you meet in the real world. If you want to become conversationally fluent in Spanish as fast as possible, check out the Fluent Spanish Speaker Academy. Here's what some of our current members have to say. Sarah, a UC Irvine graduate, says, "Nate is an awesome teacher. Since he learned Spanish as a second language, he understands where his students are coming from and knows what teaching methods work best for non-native speakers." Thank you, Nate. "I went to Mexico in November to finally meet my girlfriend that I had been talking to for over a year. Your videos helped me improve my Spanish so I could talk with her family when I stayed with them. We stand behind our program with a 30-day full refund policy. If you're not happy within 30 days, we'll give you your money back, no questions asked." To find out if the Academy is right for you, click the link on the screen or in the description below. Number 3 is to go to language meetup groups. If you have groups in your city where you can go and practice a language, I highly recommend you do this. Not only is it a lot of fun, but of course it is a fantastic way to practice your Spanish. And at these events, it's very likely that you'll meet new friends, exchange contact information with them, and be able to practice your Spanish on a more consistent basis. I used to go to a language exchange every Sunday here in Mexico City, and it was a fantastic way for me to practice my Mandarin Chinese as I'm learning Mandarin right now, but it was also a great way for these people to practice their English with me or Spanish, what have you. Number 4 is to go to a language class. If you're really serious about learning the language, then I highly recommend that you go to your local community college, high school, wherever you can take a language class, whether online. I just released my brand new Master Spanish membership, which allows for just this, a community of like-minded people who are also learning the language so that you can learn more and speak more. So going to a language class is going to be extremely effective. Now, you could also do something like italki. Italki is a fantastic way to get cheap one-on-one lessons with native Spanish teachers, and this way you can speak with someone on a consistent basis. While this method isn't free, it is a really good and fantastic way to improve your spoken Spanish. And number 5 is to join social media groups. This is actually a really awesome and free way to go about learning Spanish and finding people to practice with. Join groups on Facebook or Instagram or Discord. My Fluent Spanish Speaker Academy students have access to our private community on Discord, and I gotta say, students absolutely love it and is a really easy and fast way to practice your Spanish with other people. So that is how to find people to practice your Spanish with. Now remember, if you want to learn the language successfully, remember that being consistent is key. Relax, have fun, be consistent, and go out and try to find people to speak with. Bueno, muchas gracias. Espero que tengas un muy bonito día y nos vemos en el próximo video. Adios.